Hello, Sudoku friends. Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 4 stars we have. And this will be a number 3020. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits as usual. And this one, it's a 4 stars. That means I need 30 minutes or more to solve. We will see. So let's get started. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there, 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. I cannot continue with the 8 now. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there, 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 4, 4. Alright. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There are 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 5. Okay. We have a 5 in this row. Third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, only place for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. We have a pair, 4 and a 5 in this column, 4 and a 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 and the 5 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 6 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 6 means here also 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6 and the 3 is missing. Yes, we see here 2. Wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We see here 2 and a 3 in the second row. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. Now we have a 6 there. So this box is going to be 6 and more. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 2. Wow. Impressing. Yes. I like this one. Yes. All right. And now, let me see. 5 in this third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. All right. So we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5, and no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 5. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this row, so no 1 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. Alright, so we have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2 and number 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in the last row for the number 2 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yeah. And then, let me see. How about 9, 8, 4. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 in this row should be there. Okay. I cannot continue with the 9 now. How about those 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 4? 1 and 4, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. This is the first pair. The second pair in this big square should be the numbers 7 and 6. 7 and 6, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and 6. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright, so we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 and a 6, 7 and a 6 we have here as a pair. Now we have a 7 there, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Alright. Let me see. How about yeah. 4, 6, 8. Yeah. Okay. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in the third row for the number 6. Then Okay, then. How about those two numbers in this first column? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 8 and 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. Alright. Two numbers left in the second column. 1, the 2 is missing, and 2 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, yes. 2 and the 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4, 1 and 4, 1 and 4 in this big square. Here we have a pair 1 and a 4. That means that one box left in this column should be for the number 8. Then one box left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box is gonna be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 6 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We see here the 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Cannot believe this. For a 4 stars, is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. 11 minutes. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, a binary puzzle and a tectonic puzzle left for you later. See you then. Bye-bye for now.